Let's learn how to do multitasking. We can run two applications in same time. Let's learn how to do this. Now I open two applications. I open Gallery and Play Store. After press your mobile recent key. After select the applications you want to multitask. Now I select Gallery. Click on this app top area ball icon. After click on open in split screen view option. Now you can select your second applications using your apps. Now I select Play Store. In this method I can use two applications in one screen. I think this is very good feature to use your mobile easily. You can do two works on same time.